Go ahead.
This is a Totobobo mask that I've made some modifications to be able to drink out of the water bottle and some other benefits. I put a heavier elastic strap with a little end and an adjustable tensioner. And then to work with this, I put a few stitches in the elastic so it would hold on better. For my lower strap, I attached it in the normal way using the regular Totobobo elastic and added a little O-ring, to have something to grip, and then a similar adjustment slider. The point of it being to make it, so it's possible to drink conveniently from a water bottle. I'd modified this one, but just an ordinary water bottle sort of works. You can see it kind of bunches up the mask, but with an added piece of food grade tubing, it goes much more conveniently, and then the mask snaps back in place. Now obviously that's not a super tight fit like you'd want for a coronavirus situation. So for indoor use, I put this a lot tighter and this one a little tighter so that even when I exhale, it doesn't come off the seal. And also, of course, I'd want to shave more closely where it makes contact. So that's about it. A modified Totobobo mask that you can drink out of your water bottle while riding a bicycle.